For today's question paper 2016 का second paper we are on right now. We'll start with the first 25 to 30 questions for this session. Let's start with spotting errors. My friend was habitual to drive a car at very high speed. So habitual to के साथ was habitual to के साथ ing form लगेगा. Habitual to driving a car और was used to. Habitual की जगह क्या लगा सकते हो आप? Used to. दोनों. Habitual to or used to was used to driving a car was habitual to driving a car at very high speed. So B is the option here. Being a day of national mourning, the offices were closed and the national flag flew half-mast. Now being a day of national mourning, and after that there is a comma here as well. Being a day of national mourning, this is starting with a present participle. That being a day of national mourning, that means the subject of the second part of the sentence is considered to be the subject of the first part as well. अब यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट अगर नहीं दिया हुआ है तो अगर यहाँ सब्जेक्ट नहीं दिया हुआ है तो इसका मतलब जो दूसरा पार्ट है सेंटेंस का उसी का सब्जेक्ट हम लोग पहले पार्ट का सब्जेक्ट मानेंगे. अब देखेंगे द ऑफिसेस बीइंग अ डे ऑफ नेशनल मॉर्निंग, नहीं गलत है. ऑफिसेस थोड़ी ना है डे ऑफ नेशनल मॉर्निंग. इट बीइंग अ डे ऑफ नेशनल मॉर्निंग, तो यहाँ पे हमें एक सब्जेक्ट दूसरा लगाना पड़ेगा इसको समझाने के लिए. इट एन एम्प्टी सब्जेक्ट. दैट इट बीइंग अ डे ऑफ नेशनल मॉर्निंग, कि वह दिन जो था वो एक नेशनल मॉर्निंग का दिन था. द ऑफिसेस वर क्लोज्ड एंड द नेशनल फ्लैग फ्लू हाफ मास्ट. सो ए इज वेयर इट इज. ये जब हम लोग प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल करेंगे, एडवांस्ड वर्ब्स करेंगे तो थोड़ा और समझ में आएगा. पर साथ साथ में अभी भी हम लोग स्नीक पीक लिख रहे हैं ताकि थोड़ा प्राइम होते रहे हम, थोड़ा हमें आदत पड़ती रहे, थोड़े रवा होते रहे हम उसके तरफ, और जब वो फाइनली आए तो हमें ऑलरेडी कुछ आइडिया हो उसके बारे में और अच्छी तरह से समझ पाए हम उसको. Now if you are wanting to watch, no not wanting, we have done this in present continuous. Please go and revisit the present continuous वाला chapter. You are wanting नहीं होगा, if you want होगा. If you want to watch the birds nesting, you must not let them see you. So want जो है वो ing form में use नहीं होता है इस तरह से. He is wanting of something, that means कि उसके अंदर कमी है किसी चीज की, उसके पास कमी है किसी चीज की, वहां पे यूज होता है wanting, उसका मतलब बदल जाता है. You are wanting of good manners, इसका मतलब आपके अंदर कमी है अच्छे manners की. He does not listen to what I say, although I am advising him for a long time. No, for a long time अगर यूज हुआ है तो perfect continuous के साथ यूज होगा. We've already done this. I have advised, या तो perfect या perfect continuous के साथ. तो I have been advising. Have been advising. I am advising him right now. I am advising him for a long time. Incorrect. I am advising is continuous present. Continuous present के साथ आप for a long time नहीं कह सकते. करता आ रहा हूँ, करता आ रहा हूँ for a long time. That is what it is. It is most essential for us. Most essential नहीं होगा यहाँ पे क्योंकि कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है यहाँ पे. Most essential for us to reach the station before noun lest we should miss the train. It is essential for us. The most essential of our needs right now is to reach the station before noon lest we should miss the train. वैसे कह सकते हैं हम most essential, that the most essential of our needs, the most essential of our needs, of all the essential needs, the most essential is the one that we should reach the station before noon lest we should miss the train. That is the way that you can use it, otherwise you cannot use it here. Essential के साथ आप superlative ऐसे use नहीं करोगे. I asked him what had brought him there. Correct. This is absolutely correct. There is no mistake here. 6D. I asked him what had brought him here. The guards dare not to harm him. अभी modals में हमने किया है. Dared not to harm him होता तो ठीक था. The guards dare not harm him. यहाँ पे dare not है, इसका मतलब ये मॉडल की तरह यूज हुआ है. मॉडल की तरह यूज हुआ तो मेन वर्ब लगेगा. मेन वर्ब इन्फिनेटिव का नहीं होगा. अगर ये मेन वर्ब बना दे हम, द गार्ड्स डिड नॉट डेयर टू हार्म, तब लगेगा टू हार्म हिम. तो डिड नॉट डेयर होता तब हो जाता, पर डेयर नॉट है तो टू हार्म नहीं होगा, डेयर नॉट हार्म हिम होगा. सी. अच्छा, आप ये कह सकते हो कि अब यार इसको भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, इसको भी चेंज कर, भाई ये पहले आया तो उसको सही माना हमने, ये ऑलरेडी सही है, इसके हिसाब से फिर हम दूसरा चेंज करेंगे, पहले वाला चेंज नहीं करेंगे. तो इस तरह से हम उसको आगे लेके जाएंगे. सी को ऑप्शन मार्क करेंगे, बी को ऑप्शन मार्क नहीं करेंगे. अच्छा, सी को टू हार्म हिम रख सकते थे और ये चेंज कर सकते थे. द गार्ड्स डिड नॉट डेयर टू हार्म हिम, पर मीनिंग भी बदल जाएगा. और साथ में यही है कि डेयर नॉट अपने आप में गलत नहीं है, ये इसके साथ यूज नहीं हो सकता. तो डेयर नॉट पहले आया था, इसको हम सही मान के आगे बढ़ेंगे और फिर इसको सही करेंगे. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. The principal looks very worried because students are on strike again for the last 15 years. जैसे पहले हम लोगों ने देखा था, यहाँ पे भी are on strike नहीं होगा, have been on strike होगा. Have been on strike. The perfect tense, not are on strike. You can't use the simple present. It is using the simple present with are as the main verb. You have to use been as the main verb and have as the perfect present का auxiliary. Have been on strike. Have been striking होता तो वो perfect continuous बन जाता. बट ऑन स्ट्राइक यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है तो वो प्रेपोजिशन के साथ ऑब्जेक्ट आया है फिर, तो हैव बीन ऑन स्ट्राइक इज द परफेक्ट प्रेजेंट. बीन इज द मेन वर्ब देयर. The king was embarrassed to find evidences against his own queen. नहीं, evidences plural में use नहीं हो सकता. We've done this already in the nouns chapter. Go back and revisit. The king was embarrassed to find evidence against his own queen. So ninth, B. Yes. Find evidences against. As I prefer coffee to tea. और ओवर नॉट दैन. प्रिफर के साथ दैन नहीं लगता है, टू लगता है, ओवर लगता है. सो एज आई प्रिफर कॉफी टू टी और एज आई प्रिफर कॉफी ओवर टी, माय फ्रेंड्स ऑलवेज टेक द ट्रबल, नॉट दैन. यू कैन से मोर प्रेफरेबल दैन, बट देन मोर हो जाएगा, वो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज हो रहा है. प्रिफर्ड के साथ टू या ओवर लगेगा. वी हैव डन दिस ऑलरेडी. प्लीज गो एंड रिविजिट दोस चैप्टर्स वेयर वी डिड दैट. ऑलराइट, यू डू सिनोनिम्स. Hospitality is a virtue for which the natives of the East in general are highly admired. Hospitality मतलब मेहमान नवाजी. Generosity shown to guests. मेहमानों के प्रति दिखाई गई दया या दिखाया गया अच्छा सलूक. सद्भाव, सद्भाव. आपके अतिथियों के प्रति प्रदर्शित सद्भाव. Hospitality. House rent in cities like Mumbai or Delhi has risen to astronomical figures. Astronomical मतलब very huge, exorbitant, बहुत ज़्यादा, beyond the reach of even high salaried people. So यहाँ पे astronomical, exorbitant से मतलब है, planetary से मतलब नहीं है. Astronomical figures मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में, बहुत ज़्यादा high, exorbitant, exorbitant amount. Both of them mean the same thing. Appropriate technology. Appropriate मतलब suitable. यहाँ पे suitable best है. Appropriate technology holds the key to a nation's development. Suitable technology holds the key to a nation's development. Appropriate, suitable. He was enamored of his own golden voice. Enamored means खुद ही प्यार होना, मतलब enamored मतलब प्यार में होना. Amor, amor is the word that it comes from, which I think in Latin meant love. So very fond of, कि उसको अपनी ही आवाज से, अपनी golden voice से, अपनी सुनहरी आवाज से उसको खुद ही बहुत प्यार है. अपने ही आवाज से उसको प्यार है. अपने आप को सुनने में बड़ा मजा आता है उसको, इसलिए इतना बोलता है. शायद बहुत मजा आता है अपने आप को सुनने में. बताओ भाई किस किस को मजा आता है अपने आप को सुनने में, अपनी अपनी आवाज से किस किस को प्यार है. बताओ एक बार जरा कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे. सम जर्नलिस्ट्स आर गिल्टी ऑफ इंडल्जिंग इन येलो जर्नलिज्म. सो येलो जर्नलिज्म इज टू राइट सेंसेशनल रिपोर्ट्स, टू राइट समथिंग व्हिच इज फॉल्स बट सेंसेशनल, नॉट नेसेसरली फॉल्स बट सेंसेशनल, मतलब तड़कती भड़कती हुई न्यूज. कंट्रोवर्शियल, जो कंट्रोवर्सी लेकर आए, तो येलो जर्नलिज्म है कि आप सेंसेशनल न्यूज डाल रहे हो कि ज्यादा रेलेवेंट नहीं है वो लोगों से, बट बिकॉज इट इज सेंसेशनल and controversial, people like reading about it, and that is why you're putting it there just to sell your magazines or newspapers or whatever it is. All right, so antonyms. The culprit was sentenced by the court. Sentenced यहाँ पे मतलब हो गया he was given punishment, he was given a consequence by the court, he was considered to be guilty and he was given a consequence. The opposite of this is acquitted. Acquitted मतलब बाइज्जत, बरी कर देना उसको कि आप सही, आपने गलती नहीं की है, आप बेगुनाह हैं, निर्दोष हैं आप, आपको जाने दिया जाता है. Thrifty as he can well afford to live within his means. Thrifty कम पैसा खर्च करने वाला. ऑपोजिट एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट. एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट शूशा, बहुत बढ़िया पैसा खर्च करने वाला एकदम. डू नॉट गिव हिम अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल जॉब, ही इज इमैच्योर. इमैच्योर मतलब आप समझते ही होंगे भाई, इमैच्योर मतलब जो नहीं है, समझदार और नहीं कर पाता है काम. सीजन्ड, सीजन्ड यहाँ पे देखो, सीजन्ड वेटरन कहते हैं. सीजन्ड मतलब बिल्कुल पका हुआ, उसने घाट घाट का पानी पिया और बहुत कुछ सीखा रखा है उसने. आई वॉज प्रिपेयर टू शो माई हैंड. टू शो माई हैंड ये गैम्बलिंग से आता है. टू शो माई हैंड मतलब रिवील करना, अपने प्लान्स जो है दिखा देना, अपना हैंड दिखा देना कि आपने छुपा के रखे हैं पत्ते. नो शो योर हैंड. सो शो, टू शो योर हैंड, व्हाट कार्ड्स डू यू हैव, आर यू गोइंग टू विन और नॉट. तो ऑपोजिट वुड बी टू कंसील. टू कंसील माय प्लान. कंसील हो गया छुपाना. कंसील माय प्लान. टू शो माय हैंड, ऑपोजिट टू कंसील माय प्लान. 20th now. Akbar the Great was a sagacious ruler. Akbar the Great was a sagacious ruler. Sagacious means very wise, prudent, very wise, prudent, intelligent. So unwise is the opposite here. Unwise. 20. Unwise. Selecting words. Alright. Now we'll move on to selecting words. Let's see. She has been lying in bed for the last fortnight. I hope she will pull through. So you pull through. Pull through means you get out of something successfully. That you are able to pull yourself out from a sticky situation, a bad situation successfully. That is what is, it means to pull through. To pull through, to cross a troublesome time and come out fine at on the other side. The path of progress is beset with difficulties. Beset मतलब जड़ा हुआ है. So progress का जो path है कामयाबी की जो राह है वो जड़ी हुई है किससे? परेशानियों से. Beset with difficulties. You beset something with something. So the crown is beset with diamonds. That can also be said. I feel dash for those who are cruel to their children. I feel contempt. Contempt मतलब नफरत. तो जो अपने बच्चों के साथ क्रूअल्टी की तरह पेश आते हैं, अपने बच्चों के प्रति जो क्रूरता दिखाते हैं, I feel contempt for those. Contempt मतलब घृणा. Both the parties were keen to have a dash hand and. तो या तो inimical होगा या inevitable होगा या amicable होगा. Amicable is friendly and amicable settlement for the dispute. That is what we're talking about. Amicable. 24th, amicable, friendly. They got. I have come to know that the two brothers have fallen out. Fallen out मतलब दोनों बिछड़ गए एक दूसरे से. Estranged. That the two brothers are estranged or have fallen out. So 25th B is fallen out. Sorry, 25th is B, fallen out. Everybody finds his own work dash, whereas he feels that others have delightful jobs. Own work tedious. Own work tedious. Tedious is boring and very heavy and very monotonous and something that is hard and boring. Tedious. So everybody finds his own work tedious, where he feels that others have a delightful job. Everybody feels like my work because they get bored, right? They're doing the same thing again and again, but probably they don't love it. They're doing it for some other reason. They think that they need to do it for something. That is what the problem with most of the people are. They forget how to live. You're not living, you're just alive. Make sure that you're enjoying living. You're enjoying what you do. Do what you enjoy. It's not just a cliched statement. It's a very important thing to understand and feel. The accident took place because of the criminal dash negligence. Criminal negligence होता है. Criminal negligence मतलब आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया, आपकी लापरवाही. लापरवाही जो क्रिमिनल के स्तर पे मानी जाती है. लापरवाही जिसको क्राइम माना जाता है कि भाई आपके पास लाइसेंस वाइसेंस नहीं है और आपने फिर भी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं आप और एक्सीडेंट हो गया, तो क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस बोला जाएगा उसको, क्योंकि आपकी लापरवाही की वजह से, आपके पास लाइसेंस नहीं था, आपने नहीं सीखा था, लाइसेंस नहीं था, उसकी वजह से ये हुआ है, तो दैट विल बी अ क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस केस. The belief in the dash of vaccination is gaining ground. The belief in the efficacy. The belief in the efficacy of the vaccination is gaining. Efficacy मतलब उसकी efficiency, उसकी use, उसका फायदा, उसका efficiency, उसकी योग्यता, उसकी सामर्थ्य, उसका सामर्थ्य. तो उसके वैक्सीनेशन का जो सामर्थ्य है, उसमें जो भरोसा है, वो ग्राउंड गेन कर रहा है, मतलब वो बढ़ रहा है. It is gaining ground. That means it is capturing more people, capturing more ground. It is becoming better. It is becoming more. The efficacy. 28th, efficacy. Our new leader is a dash young man will take us forward. Dynamic young man. You use dynamic साथ में. Dynamic young man. Dynamic मतलब very active, very versatile. You can also use versatile here. Versatile होता तो versatile मतलब very adjustable, very resourceful, बहुत जुगाड़ू, कोई भी काम आए कर लेता है, कुछ भी हो, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो उसको सॉल्व कर लेता है. वेरी डायनामिक, नॉट स्टैटिक, बैठा हुआ ठस लुर धर नहीं है, हिलता रहता है हमेशा. देयर इज ऑलवेज एनर्जी, देयर इज ऑलवेज डायनामिज्म, देयर इज ऑलवेज मोशन. सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. बाकी डजंट मेक सेंस. They found a world of dash between what he said and what he did. A world of difference. There's a world of difference. World of difference between what he said, what he did. World of difference मतलब उनके बीच में बहुत ज्यादा अंतर है. किस चीज में? जो वो कहता है और जो वो करता है. जो वो करता है और जो वो कहता है उसके बीच में बहुत ज्यादा अंतर है. There is a world of difference. Again, remember this is comprehension का part. Grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension are three pillars that they check for your usage of English in the examination. Grammar is what we are studying. Vocabulary के लिए we do some activities and we do a lot of things in our institute here. For that, you would have to physically come here and take admission. Indore is a beautiful city. Come live here with us. Stay here for a year. It will be a transformational experience for you, the entire course that we offer. And plus comprehension as well. Comprehension we practice as well during our classes through reading newspapers and other interesting articles, which also help us improve our general awareness. At my tutorial in Indore, please come and share your time with us. अच्छा, इसको कैसे टैकल करते हैं भाई? वैसे टैकल करते हैं हम. इसको देखते हैं ऑप्शंस के साथ साथ रख के. देखो एस से शुरू हो रहे हैं, 3 ऑप्शंस, आर से, तो क्यू और पी से तो शुरू हो ही नहीं रहे. या तो एस से शुरू होगा या आर से. एस से शुरू करके देखें. द स्टेटमेंट विल बी मेड जस्ट वंस. सही लग रहा है? स्टेटमेंट विल बी मेड जस्ट वंस. उसके बाद पी आ सकता है क्या? देयरफॉर यू मस्ट लिसन केयरफुली आ सकता है. उसके बाद आर, इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द स्पीकर हैज सेड, ये आ सकता है. एस के बाद आर आएगा, विल बी मेड जस्ट वंस इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड. नहीं, विल बी मेड जस्ट वन इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड. कि एक बार समझने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही बार नहीं, समझाने के लिए तो बार बार बोलनी चाहिए. तो ये डजंट मेक सेंस. RSPQ तो in order to, the statement in order to understand doesn't make sense. SPQR so will be made just once, therefore you must listen carefully what the speaker is has said in order to understand. Doesn't make sense. This is the best. A is the best option here. It does make sense, but that is not grammatically correct. A is the best grammatically correct structure. That the statement will be made just once. सिर्फ एक बार कही जाएगी. Therefore, you must listen carefully. इसलिए आपको ध्यान से सुनना चाहिए in order to understand, ताकि समझने के लिए what the speaker has said. Speaker ने क्या कहा है. So 31st A option. Now let's move to 32nd. The small boy who fell down and broke his leg. Climbed the wall and fell down. So he climbed the wall first, then fell down. So SRQP. SQRP and SPRQ are the options. Let's see, it might make sense. Will PSQR make the boy who broke his leg, climbed the wall and fell down. So after falling down, maybe he broke his leg. That would be the best. So let's say QSRP makes sense. The boy who fell down, climbed the wall and broke his leg. No, that is not the proper structure. SPRQ वो सेंस में वो पहले चढ़ा होगा फिर गिरा होगा फिर उसने अपनी पैर तोड़ा होगा and broke his leg. Climbed the wall, fell down and broke his leg. So SQRP. Yes, that makes the most sense. कि पहले वो चढ़ा गिरा और फिर टांग टूट गई उसकी. तो he climbed the wall, fell down and broke his leg. वो चढ़ा गिरा और टांग तोड़वा बैठा. That is what it is. SQRP. We start with S, then we move to Q, then we move to R, then we move to P and end here. We start here. Alright, that is how we will structure it. S to Q to R to P. 32nd. According to an engineer, alright, which is based on, no, might hit the market, no, a newly developed air cooler system. Q से शुरू हो सकता है. Q, C ही हो रहा है Q से शुरू. Let's see if C makes sense in this. क्योंकि according to an engineer, might hit, what might hit? That employed in conventional room coolers doesn't make sense. Which is based, according to an engineer, which is based on a principle radically different. According to an engineer, a newly developed air cooler system, yes, which is based on a principle radically different from that, that employed in conventional, that is radically different from, that is, I don't know what that thing is. Let me see if I can make sense of what that word is. What from that employed? Oh, radically different from that. So that it is that. Radically different from that employed in conventional room coolers. That which is. So which is removed here. You can remove that and grammatically still makes sense. So which is based on a principle radically different from that which is employed. So that employed in conventional room coolers might hit the market next year. So I start with Q, S, R, P. That is what makes sense. 33rd. 34th. The clerk left the money on the desk which he should have locked up in the safe. Q, P, S, R seems to make sense. D. See if it makes sense. Q, P, S, R. 34th. Why? The clerk on the desk doesn't make sense. The clerk on the desk? No. The clerk in the safe. The clerk can't be in the safe. The clerk which he should have locked up doesn't make. The clerk left the money. यहाँ पे देखो, the clerk आया subject, उसके बाद एक verb आया और एक object आया. The clerk left the money where? On the desk. Desk पर छोड़ गया वो. In the safe, we can't leave. Safe में आप you don't leave the money. You lock the money in the safe or you keep it safe in the safe. He left the money on the desk, which he should have locked up in the safe. देखो, you lock up it in the safe. Lock it up in the safe. तो जो उसको lock करके रखनी चाहिए थी safe में वो desk पर ही रखा छोड़ गया. QPSR. 35. Hardly had my brother descended from the plane. Yes, when the people, so hardly के साथ when लगता है बहुत ही बढ़िया. When the people waved and cheered. When the people who had come to receive him waved and cheered from the lounge. ये तो सही है. When P से शुरू होगा तो P और P यहाँ पे है. P के बाद नहीं. When the people who came, P के बाद R आएगा. R from the lounge waved and cheered. Receive him from the lounge. PRSQ. No, it should be when the people who had come to receive him waved and cheered from the lounge. It should be PRQS. Do we have a PRQS? We don't have a PRQS, which makes the most sense. So PRQS closest है उसके, but it doesn't make as much sense. PRQS makes the most sense. Why? See, that hardly had my brother descended from the plane when the people who had come to receive him waved and cheered from the lounge. Who had come to receive him from the lounge? Waved and cheered. कि lounge से receive करने आए थे? नहीं बेटा, lounge से receive नहीं करने आए थे, receive तो वो घर से करने आए होंगे. पर वही है कि nothing else makes more sense. So PRSQ is where we're going to stick with. Those are some adjustments that we might need to do during our examination as well. Even if it doesn't completely make sense, whichever makes the closest sense would be the correct option. PRQS would have been the best. That they waved and cheered from the lounge. That they could not enter the tarmac, perhaps, and they had to wait in the lounge, and from there, the window, they could see the plane come, and from there, they were waving and cheering. Or maybe they did come to take him from the lounge. Who knows? Perhaps there's something that is happening there which we are not aware of. All right, 36th. The essay. Let's see the essay. The essay, like that of the human face, because its variety is a literary form. The essay is a literary form. The essay, subject is main verb, is a literary form. वो एक literary form है. The essay is a literary form which is not easy to define. Yes, because its variety is infinite, like that of the human face. Yes. So starts with R, moves to S, then goes to Q, and then ends with P. So R, S, Q, P, C makes the most sense. All right. The exhibition committee has been making efforts to make exhibition. To make the exhibition. To make exhibition. Anyway. The exhibition committee has been. S से शुरू होगा. Has been making efforts. SRQP. SR तो आएगा ही आएगा. उसके बाद QP ही है और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. So 37th SRQP. See, the exhibition committee has been making efforts to make the exhibition attractive, to make exhibitions or exhibition, the exhibition या exhibitions होना चाहिए था. बहुत सारी गड़बड़ हुई है इसमें तो मेरे को लग रहा है. All right, anyway, sentence improvement. Let's get into that. My old teacher gave many poor students money in spite of he was poor. No, even though he was poor. In spite of being poor होता. In spite of अगर लगता तो उसके बाद he was poor नहीं होता. In spite of being poor होता. In spite of के बाद आपको noun चाहिए. In spite of के बाद in spite of एक prepositional phrase है. Prepositional phrase के बाद हमें noun चाहिए. Noun चाहिए तो ing फॉर्म लगेगा जो gerund हमने अभी देखा था. तो ये gerund का क्वेश्चन देखो कैसे आया हुआ है. In spite of के बाद in spite of prepositional phrase है, उसके बाद gerund लगना चाहिए. तो in spite of being poor, अगर he was poor है, ये पूरा का पूरा clause है. तो clause अगर आता है तो conjunction द्वारा आता है. Conjunction in spite of नहीं है, conjunction है even though. Conjunction is even though. अभी जो conjunctions करा हुआ है हमने conjunctions even though आप याद करिए. Conjunction हमने किया हुआ है, in spite of भी किया हुआ है हमने prepositions में. Go back and revisit all of those chapters. You will definitely understand. देखो एक बार में तो नहीं, साइकिल है बार बार आपको चलानी पड़ेगी. 3-4 बार कम से कम आपको पूरा कोर्स रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके फाइनली एवरीथिंग विल सेट इन इट्स प्लेस. एक बार में समझ आ जाता तो भैया बात ही क्या थी. अर्जुन ही होते फिर तो आप महाभारत ही लिखी जाती. अभी कृष्ण खड़े होते हैं यहाँ पे आपको भगवद गीता के पाठ सुना रहे होते. Alright, 39th. You dash read the newspaper regularly if you want to be. Yeah, you have to. आपको करना है. ये मॉडल आ गया देखो. You have to read. Have to याद होगा आपको. Yes, you have to read. You should to नहीं. You should read. Should के साथ to नहीं लगता, या तो should लगेगा या have to लगेगा. उनमें से एक चीज होगी. Alright. If he had listening to me, he would not have got lost. No, if he had listened to me. If he had listened to me. B. Not if he had been listening to me. या तो been होता. If he had been listening to me, he would not have got lost. If he had listened to me, अगर उसने मेरी सुनी होती तो वो ना खोता. He asked for a bank loan. Also, he didn't have sufficient resources. Because he didn't have. He asked for a bank loan because he did not have. Also नहीं. Also, he didn't have sufficient resources. That doesn't make sense. He asked for a bank loan because he didn't have sufficient resources. उसके पास पर्याप्त resources नहीं थे, पर्याप्त प्रावधान संसाधन नहीं थे. इस कारणवश उसने बैंक से लोन मांगा. I went to the shop to buy some stationaries. To stationaries नहीं होता बेटा, stationery होता है. ER वाला ही होता है, पर stationaries नहीं होता है क्योंकि वो countable नहीं है. You cannot count one stationery, two stationery. It's an uncountable noun, non-countable noun, uncountable noun, stationery. और ये वाला stationery होता है आपका office supplies. ये वाला stationery होता है स्थायी, स्थित, एक जगह पे, static. So this stationery is static, and this stationery is office supplies. Office supplies. Office supplies व stationery ERY वाला, और ARY वाला जो स्टेशनरी है वो स्टैटिक होता है. उसका मतलब कि स्थायी. I have been waiting here for the last 2 hours. Yes, I have been waiting here for the last 2 hours. Absolutely correct. For the period of time last 2 hours is a period of time, and we use for a period of time. So 43rd, absolutely correct. No corrections, no improvement. The table needs to be painted. Yes, it does. Needs to be painted, needs to be painting, needs to be having painted. No, needs to be painted. To be painted. Yes, no improvement. It needs to be painted. So this is, you'll understand, this is a passive. Needs to be painted. The table is painted, needs to be painted by someone. So this is the passive form of the verb. Passive में third form लगता है, painted होगा, obviously. Third form, 45th. It began to rain heavily just when I was preparing. It began to rain heavily just when I was preparing to go out. Now it began तो past है, तो was preparing होगा कि उस टाइम में prepare कर रहा था. ये बोलना चाह रहा हूं मैं, तो we will use the continuous form, was preparing. The couple seem to love one another very much. One another use होता है दो से ज्यादा के लिए, दो के लिए use होता है each other. तो 46 में आप each other लगाएंगे, ये चीज है. The team seemed to love one another very much हो सकता है. The 3 people, 4 people, couple तो मतलब होता है 2, जोड़ा, दो के लिए each other होता है, one another नहीं होता. ये किया हुआ है हमने, याद करिएगा pronouns में. Go back and check that if you do not remember. These are called reciprocal pronouns if you do not remember. It is high time that we did something. Yes, high time. याद है आपको, high time के साथ हमने किया था. High time के साथ past form use होता है. Past form बिल्कुल सही है. It is high time that we did something. समय आ गया है, पानी सर से ऊपर उठ चुका है, अब कुछ करना ही पड़ेगा. If I were a millionaire, I would have helped the poor. बिल्कुल सही है. If I were के subjunctive mood के साथ past लगता है. I would have helped the poor. Yes. If I were a millionaire, I would help. I would help is better. C, 48 C. I would help the poor, I would have helped नहीं. So 48 C, I would help the poor. Perfect tense नहीं लगता इसमें. I would help the poor. Just a simple past. So if I were a millionaire, I would help the poor. कि अगर मैं होता तो करता, तो कर चुका होता नहीं. If I had been a millionaire, I would have helped the poor होता. या तो ये होता if I had been a millionaire. If I had been a millionaire, I would have helped the poor. If I were a millionaire, I would help the poor. Would help. See. All right, the training program was extended for a month. Yes, again, for a period of time, you have to use for. So, no improvement here. For is correct. The training program was extended for a month. कि वो एक महीने के लिए और बढ़ा दिया गया. So, 49th D. And last, the painting which they were looking at was done by my sister. So, you will see. The painting के साथ which नहीं होगा. The painting that they were looking at was done by my sister. Because here, which of these is your brother जब नहीं identified होता है और किसी में से कुछ pick out करना होता है, then we use which. If you remember, go back again back to relative pronouns and you'll understand what it means. The painting that यहाँ पे use होगा, which नहीं use होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे point out किया जा रहा है, demonstrative एक तरह से use किया जा रहा है, relative ही है. The painting that they were looking at was done by my sister. Which painting are you looking at? Question के लिए use किया जा सकता है. Or which of these paintings do you like? The painting that was given to me, not which, that was given to me. So 50th D. That's that for today. We'll continue with verbs advanced tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one.